Hello everybody, I'm Chef Richard. I'm working here at Rolling News. I've been a chef for over 10 years now. I love cooking in culinary arts, and I'm going to show you how we cook our line. This is our line. So we are using musket powder, gold, and sweet heat. And then I'm going to use this on this line. We're going to start by trimming it. So I'll need a paring knife that can cut nicely for me. We remove the fat because we don't want to have fat on this meat. It also makes the taste of the meat to go weird. We're going to start with olive oil, just a little bit. We'll rub it. Take a little bit of lemon to kill the acidity. Take the gold, just put it a little bit. I'm using it for years. It's the best results ever. If you use this one, I'm telling you, your meat, ooh, the sweet heat, just add a little bit just to balance the flavors. Flip it again. Then we rub in, we rub in, we rub in. Oyster sauce. We need the rosemary to bring the flavors, the aroma on this. So we have to chop it. When you put on top, it brings the flavors inside this meat. These are the best spices that I always want to use. Both of them, they bring the best in the loin. You will never go wrong with these spices on the loin. I'm going to cook for you the nyala. On this nyala, I want to put it on a table where there's a towel at the bottom so that this chopping board doesn't move. Oh, I love this meat. It looks good. So the first thing is to put olive oil so that all the spices can dissolve into the meat. The lemon juice, just cutting a slice of a lemon. And then you just drizzle it on top of the meat. Musket powder, the brown label. It brings out the best in the meat. Just going to sprinkle on top of the meat. We don't need to put too much on it. We flip it over. Sprinkle again. Looks awesome. This has got the magic oyster sauce, but it's not necessary, but you can put it just to bring up some flavors on this meat. Then we can rub all the spices in, and then they dissolve into this meat. Then we finally chop this thyme. So we sprinkle with the thyme. Our steak is done and it's ready. Mustard, red label for chops. Then we sprinkle it, sprinkle on top of the meat. A little bit of lemon. You just have to kill it a little bit, not too much. And we flip it over. We flip it over. Our red mustard label, we do it again. It's got all good spices in it. Olive oil. Just put a little bit of lemon juice. And then we flip it over again so that the spices can mingle with the meat. Rosemary. Flip it over the meat. Right, then our chops are ready for grill. So later I'm going to show you when I start grilling my meats. Then you see how it becomes and how it goes. We start with the nyala. So we place it nicely. Put this meat what is game. 4 minutes on one side and 4 minutes on the other side. We have the loin. It's going to be much faster. And then the chops, I like them to be juicy. But all it comes from the spices that you use. They give you a nice taste. I love rosemary. Good flavors, gives it some aroma. You have to place on top so that when the meat cooks, it hits. When it hits, it releases flavors into the meat. I'm looking for the grill marks. If it's brown, then I can flip it over. You watch it as it cooks. It actually shows you here. The barbecue spice just for basting, just to keep it moist. We want it to be crispy for presentation. The meat in the plate, the side where there's a fat side on the lamb.
After you cook all this good food, it's making me hungry.
That's true. It's almost there. Yeah, this is good. Let's take it off. You can see how it looks. It's not well done, it's medium. We are trying to seal it all around. Now go to the kitchen, into the oven. Let's go into the oven, a little bit of butter, rosemary, thyme, lemon, 3 minutes in the oven, take it out, it rest, and you serve. All the meats are inside, so we just have to look at the clock. Just a little bit, when it rings, we take them out. I'm just adding it to seal it up a little bit. You see that color? That's what I want. Now it's ready.
Is that cooked to perfection?
100%. The taste of the meat. This is exactly what I want. Cooked outside, that's 100% what I wanted.